If you need extra money to invest or trade cryptocurrencies, then personally I believe affiliate marketing is a great way to do that. It's super easy and free. Often you don't even have to join an affiliate program. Major cryptocurrency exchanges and payment services such as Coinbase, Robinhood, eToro, Gemini, Webull, PayPal or Venmo will pay you just for signing up. Then you can grab a referral link and make additional money by simply referring others. You can find more videos about these companies and their referral programs in the video description below. Unfortunately, most of those referral programs are limited to anything between $50 to $500. And once you've reached that limit, later on, even when people continue joining those exchanges through your referral link, you won't get paid. That's why if you really want to create a consistent, reliable affiliate income, then you should look for dedicated cryptocurrency programs, preferably the ones that pay recurring affiliate commission. Crypto exchanges and trading apps make the bulk of affiliate program offers, followed by wallets, payment tools, and other crypto merchants. The variety of offers, competitive affiliate commissions, and most important, the slow but sure mass adoption of cryptocurrency, all this makes this affiliate niche especially lucrative. On the flip side, we all know that anything that gets available to masses gets ruined. Unfortunately, because this niche is very closely associated with the make money online niche, there are a lot of bad players and scammers. That's why I've decided to create a list of the best and most trusted crypto affiliate programs to help others create a reliable, consistent affiliate income so they can live a happy, healthy, and wealthy life. If you want to get access to my list, enter your email below to subscribe to our free newsletter. You will also learn how to become a member of our secret Telegram group if you're interested in cryptocurrency trading. But if you prefer hands-free and stress-free approach to cryptocurrency investing, if you want slow but consistent growth of your wealth, then ask me how you can become an investor to our international crypto fund. And finally, if you want to go beyond cryptocurrency affiliate niche, if you want to explore other profitable niches, or if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in general, then definitely check out our network. Extra Hyperactive Network educates people about the fundamentals of business, marketing, and branding to help them start a business or at least make some extra money on the side to live a happy, healthy, and wealthy life. We have an amazing tribe of like-minded people who are always happy to help others by sharing their personal knowledge, experience, and expertise. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or contact me directly through one of my social media channels listed below. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.